Hey friends, it's Running Kimono, and today's video is sponsored by the Fetch Rewards app. Of all the apps, this one is my favorite, and I thank them so much for sponsoring this video. So we're going to look in a quick second, guys, on this crazy construction project where we ripped apart an old pantry closet and brought it from the 1970s right into 2020. And here's the kicker of this project. I used some Fetch Rewards gift card to pay for supplies such as paint, a new shelf, a couple of baskets, and the majority of the project was covered thanks to this fantastic app. So if you have never heard of the Fetch Rewards app, today is your lucky day to sign up. Check out the link in the description and use the promotion code Kimono, and you'll be awarded 3,000 points when you photograph your first receipt. It could be anything, a pack of gum that you bought last week. I mean, it's really that easy. All the information is in the notes, and this is a superb app, especially when you go grocery shopping and you're buying, food and items that, you have to buy, and there's not a lot of savings on that. But with this app, there's always savings. As many of you know, I was buying a lot of Doritos around the Super Bowl because it was such an amazing price at Walgreens. And check it out, guys. I got a bunch of points back from this wonderful app. And then I also bought some cheese for Super Bowl Sunday for a dip that I made, and boom, 250 points. Like, how terrific is this? Well, guys, why this is so fantastic for you, if you sign up today and use my code, you can easily get yourself a $3 gift card after you scan your first receipt to Dunkin' Donuts, Target, Amazon, or Panera Bread. So check out the link in the notes and use the code Kimono for 3,000 points. Like, it is that easy. Okay, guys, so let's talk about this closet. So my husband and I have lived in this house for about 4 years, and we love it, but there's certain parts of it that really needed a bit of sprucing up, including this pantry closet. And we suspect that when the house was built in the 70s, well, this was installed, and it was a way to maximize space, but it just seemed like all the shelves were, bowing and buckling because of the weight. And as a couponer, well, yeah, I just kind of killed the shelf. So my husband, he did all the labor for this. He removed these shelves, and no matter how much cleaning, we could never get them, clean. They always had dust and stuff all over them. So this is the room. It's a very tiny closet after he removed everything. And I guess the last homeowner painted it green, but we always thought it looked very dark. So we wanted it to be a little bit brighter and a little bit more cheerier in there. So we painted it white instead. And it was just a way that we could see things in such closed quarters in a little tiny closet. So just a shot here of the first go at it. My husband painted it 3 times with primer and then some paint. And as you see, we have a little visitor Susie there. But like, what a difference. That shelf that he had purchased, I believe he got it at Home Depot. We actually Frankensteined another shelf, and then so we have more shelves inside of it. So it's actually 2 shelves smashed together. As you can see, there it is. He actually organized all of this too, because he has a really good eye for organization. And as you can see, he hung these little baskets. I believe it was $40 for the 2 with the little rack that attaches to the wall by Rubbermaid, and just to store taller like bottles of sauces and stuff. But just to show you the beautiful organization that he did, and he has such a wonderful eye for this. It was a weekend project, and it just makes our home look a lot like it's a more functioning closet, that is for sure. And it's not just throwing everything into a area and you just don't want to look or think about it. And I get it. January and February are really hard months. Christmas just happened. A lot of us have massive bills from that holiday. But with this app, from like scanning my receipts from shopping at various grocery stores, I saved enough to have, to get 2 different gift cards. I got one to the Home Depot to buy some supplies such as paint, and then part of the shelf. And then at Walmart also, we were able to get a couple different supplies as well. I think we bought the paint at Walmart actually. But it's just a couple things to really spruce up your basement. I think all of the supplies for this was just about $130. So we paid $30 out of pocket, used 2 gift cards, and it was just the smartest way to do this, like, really much on the cheap, and then to have something from an area in your home that you absolutely can't use, and we all have a closet of doom like this, to make it into a beautiful functioning closet that looks so nice. And I mean, I could just open that and stare at it all day and smile because I just love that closet. It's just a really great way to do these sort of projects on the cheap. Just a little bit of food for thought, guys. You start using this app a lot because it is absolutely terrific. Again, for new signups, please check the link and use my referral code Kimono in the notes. And if you have a project like this, it might take a month or two to rustle up some money there, but if you really follow it and start doing deals, I'm very sure you'll be able to, you know, make those pennies into dollars to pay for a project such as this one. Again, special thank you to Fetch Rewards for being so exceptionally nice to me and my channel, and to my wonderful subscribers. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.